These glitch transitions preset will work on Premiere Pro 2015 or above versions. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Place video clips like that. Let's import transitions. Go to Windows. Select Effects. In the Effects tab, right-click and select Import Presets. Here preset pack imported. Now let's take an adjustment layer. Place it on the timeline like that. Go 10 frames back from the middle. Place adjustment layer like that. Now go 20 frames from here and cut the adjustment layer. Delete unwanted part. Now apply transition to the adjustment layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.